I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start with the essentials. Make sure the TV is on the correct input and the HDMI or AV cable is fully seated. Loose connections are the most common cause. Next, look at the power brick LED and cables. A dim or no LED suggests power supply trouble. Once done, power cycle the console. Hold the power button for about 10 seconds, unplug everything, wait 10 minutes, then reconnect. This clears temporary firmware and capacitor issues that often cause no signal. Now focus on the signal path. Swap the HDMI cable and try a different TV or monitor to isolate whether the console or display is at fault. Make sure you're using a direct HDMI connection instead of adapters, because converters can introduce handshaking issues. Also confirm the TV supports the console's 720p or 1080p output. If the screen stays blank, attempt to boot to the Xbox dashboard or safe mode. Mismatched resolution or corrupted profile settings can prevent a picture. For final fixes, if you're comfortable, power down and carefully inspect the HDMI port and surrounding board for bent pins or debris. Reseat cables and try again. Swap in a known good Xbox 360 power supply to rule out voltage issues and watch for beep patterns or ring lights that indicate specific failures. If none of this works, perform a factory reset or seek a repair service. If you must pick one troubleshooting tip, always test with another display and cable first. This saves time and money.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.